Hello, my dear lads, and here we go into the tremendous fight between Thiago Pitbull Silva and Brandon Vera. Got a striker versus a mixture. Alright, Brandon Vera used to be more of a striker. He's also a very, very good grappler and more well-rounded fighter than Thiago Silva, who is predominantly a Muay Thai guy. But it doesn't have to mean much. If Silva keeps the fight on the feet, he's gonna have a chance. Brandon Vera, Thiago Silva. Off we go. The fight is on. I haven't been recording this for a while, but yeah, need some time. Good left right for Vera. Ooh, great level changes. Silva brawls. A head kick. Oof, Vera with a great high kick. Push kick again. Brandon Vera going for a Muay Thai clinch. Silva is also a Muay Thai fighter. He could get the advantage of it. Nah. Silva wants to go for a Muay Thai clinch. Vera again with a Muay Thai clinch too. They are battling for Muay Thai position. Look at this Thai clinch. This is an art of Muay Thai, literally. Good right to the body. Elbows. Oh, big knees to the head. Big knees. And power head kicks. Punches by Thiago Silva. He missed with that head kick. Head kick by Vera, but unfortunately for him, he missed with that head kick. Big knees again. Big right to the body for Silva. Alright, it's a takedown by Brandon Vera. Middle kick again. Big punches. A kick again. Head kick missed. Excellent Muay Thai leg kick for Brandon Vera. Oof, these kicks are landing. This kinda reminds me of a typical Muay Thai fight. Oof. This knee nearly landed. But Vera missed for a sec, like he missed by a hair. Knees. Look at this perfect Muay Thai battle. Knee attempt for Brandon Vera. A head kick again. Vera is pressing against the fence. Now he delivers some shoulder strikes. Oh, look at this trip. Vera staying on the top of his opponent. Silva with a reversal. Look at this double chop. Alright, round 1 is in the books. I'd say this is Silva's round. I think Thiago Silva should continue wobbling him with strong strikes. You see how he missed there. His opponent was wobbled, but he missed with strong strikes. Okay, let's go. Big punches to the body. A head kick again. Another leg kick. More punches to the kill. Oh, big knee by Thiago Silva. And a takedown for Vera. Middle kick again. Oh, it's a takedown. More punches by Silva. His opponent looks rocked. Silva digs for the armbar. Yeah, he doesn't have bicep slicer in his arsenal, but bicep slicer would be a great solution here. Oh yeah, hitchhiker escape by Brandon Vera. Silva with another reversal now goes for double chops. Kinda difficult to knock out opponent with a double chop, but you never know. Head kick by Vera, he switches stances. Silva shoots in, takedown is stuffed. Silva trying to take him down. Excellent suplex. More punches for Silva. Silva with a knockout. That's it. Vera is out. Vera is out. Was a good fight though. Really enjoyed every second of this fight, ain't gonna lie. Thiago Silva with the victory.